It's Gianna Lum at Convincing Crypto, where we keep you in a loop on all the latest trends and news on crypto and blockchain technology. Today, I have a real quick update for the Cardano community and anyone interested in IAGON. For anyone unfamiliar with IAGON, they're a cloud computing platform that launched on Cardano back in December 2023. I actually have a whole video with their CEO, Navjeet. I'll link it up above if you want to learn more about the project. As always though, this video is not an endorsement for any project on Cardano in any way. Please do your own research before investing in anything. Alright, let's dive into the news today. Here's the tweet. IAGON tweeted, calling on the IAGON community. Help us gain the support of MinSwap DEX and increase our chances of funding in Fund13 by engaging with and sharing this tweet. Let's show them what the IAGONauts are made of. Proposal at cardano.ideascale.com. This is a proposal for Project Catalyst Fund13. If you're unfamiliar with Project Catalyst, it's one of the largest decentralized funds in the world. So they're trying to make their project grow with this funding. IAGON and Worth MVP proposal. This proposal is a joint collaboration between IAGON and Worth Group in conjunction with Worth Canada, WAG, and Worth IT India for the MVP development of a secure 3D printing and intellectual property management platform. The problem: there's currently a massive lack of standardized encryption and distribution control for 3D printing IP assets. The results are the abuse of creator IP, little to no ongoing compensation for the use of this IP, and no central control of their distribution. The solution: together with Worth Group, we will develop a platform that addresses the core challenges with 3D printing IP management and distribution. This platform will establish a new standard for the 3D printing industry and will leverage IAGON and Cardano to enable secure storage and access to 3D printing files, automated royalty management, standardized encryption and robust IP protection, control over the management and distribution of IP, intuitive onboarding for 3D printing IP creators, streamlined access to printing as a service vendors, enterprise adoption. This collaboration with Worth Group stands to revolutionize the standards of distribution for 3D printing assets and demonstrates how IAGON and Cardano can power secure, decentralized IP management, opening doors to broader blockchain adoption in real-world industries. Of course, you're probably wondering, what's the potential for growth for a project like this? Market size. According to Worth's market insights, the initial 3D printing potential in Canada and the USA is projected between $10 million and $100 million annually, with Worth Additive Group already generating over $10 million each year in printing alone. Through our MVP, we aim to reach $50 million within the next 2 years as we scale up this innovative platform. Globally, Worth Group sees this market growing to over $1 billion within the next 5 years. If you believe in this project, you can support the team in Project Catalyst Fund13. In order for this vision to come to fruition, we need your support. If you're excited about this collaboration and the strides it will make towards enterprise adoption, please consider engaging with this thread and voting for us in Catalyst Fund13. I'll link all the info down below if you want to read the full proposal. And if you have any other questions for the team, let me know in the comments. I can relay it back to them. I hope this information was helpful for you. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Are you a fan right now of IAGON? And what else does the project need? Let me know your thoughts. And as always, if you see any crypto scams in the comments or in the ads, please report them. There's so many fake airdrops, fake giveaways, and people pretending to be financial advisors. And we've got to make sure everybody in the crypto community remains safe. That's it for us today. Feel free to like, subscribe, comment your thoughts. Feel free to share this with a friend who loves this content. And I'll see you next time, everyone. Bye.